Hi everyone, welcome to Grammar in 5 Minutes. My name is Sylvia and I'm an English teacher. In this series, I explain one grammar point in a simple and clear way in just 5 minutes. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at the articles a and an and how to choose the correct one based on the sound, not the spelling. So we say, I have a car and I have an apple. Is it that simple? A plus consonant, an plus vowel? Not always. So we know that we use the article a before nouns that begin with a consonant sound. So we say, I have a dog. A plus D, D is a consonant. But we say, he is coming in an hour, an plus hour. The H is silent. Or we say, he is an honest man. An honest, H is silent again. Or we say, it is an 8-hour flight. An 8, the number. And also we say she has an MBA in finance. An M, the letter M, is pronounced M. So remember that what matters is how the next letter sounds, not the letter. Listen to the sound in the next words. An apple, an hour, an MBA, an egg. Now we'll have a look at the use of the article an. We use an before nouns that begin with a vowel sound. A, e, I, o, u. So we say, I have an apple. An plus apple, a is a vowel. But we also say it is a university, a plus university, u sounds like you. And we say she wears a uniform, a uniform, u sounds like you. And also it's a one-day trip. A plus 1 or in 1 sounds like W. Okay, let's practice now. A or an. Remember, we choose the article based on the sound. Choose the correct article for each one. Okay, let's check the answers. A European city, an 11-year-old child, a user, an honest mistake, a USB drive, an 8-hour shift. Remember, sound, not spelling. Any questions or comments? Write them below. See you in the next lesson.